Why don't Bitcoin holders ever get sunburnt? Because they've got plenty of shade from the financial establishment. That's right, folks. Welcome to the Crypto Comedy Hour, where we laugh in the face of volatility. Ah, the world of cryptocurrency. A thrilling roller coaster where one moment you're a millionaire and the next, you're hunting for spare change in your couch cushions. But don't worry, it's not all bankruptcies and lost keys around here. There's plenty of success stories too, and we're here to share them all. But enough with the jokes, let's dive deep into the Bitcoin ETFs, not literally though. We'd probably end up in a blockchain. Now imagine Bitcoin as a rebellious teenager, and ETFs are like the strict parents trying to control their wild child. Let's rewind a bit and talk about the early days. Picture the scene. Bitcoin, the unruly teenager, storms into the world of finance, causing a ruckus and turning heads left and right. Traditional investors, those old folks who've been around the block, eyed this new kid with a skeptical gaze, just like parents unsure about their child's latest punk rock phase. Then enter the ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. They're like the parents who, after much persuasion, finally agree to let their kid go to that wild concert. But only if they can come too. They offer a way for the traditional investors to dip their toes into the world of Bitcoin without having to dive headfirst into the mosh pit. And who played the role of the persuasive friend convincing the parents? None other than BlackRock and other big names in the financial world. These guys saw the potential in Bitcoin, the raw energy and the untamed spirit. They saw something that could shake up the world of finance, and they wanted in. But they also knew that for Bitcoin to truly make a splash, it needed to be accepted by the traditional crowd. So they pushed for Bitcoin ETFs, a way to bring Bitcoin into the mainstream while still keeping its rebellious spirit intact. So what's the punchline here? Well, Bitcoin ETFs are like the parental advisory sticker on your favorite explicit rap album. They make it more palatable for the traditional folks, but the essence remains as wild as ever. Ever wondered what would happen if your grandma started investing in Bitcoin? Yeah, that's the kind of impact we're talking about. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have been like the cool new kid on the block, turning heads and catching everyone's attention. They've essentially thrown open the gates to the crypto market for mainstream investors, making it as easy to buy Bitcoin as it is to pick up a pack of gum at the grocery store. Imagine the crypto market as a private party, previously exclusive to the tech-savvy and risk-takers. Now, with Bitcoin ETFs, it's like someone just posted the address on social media and suddenly everyone's showing up. The party's gone public, and it's not just the usual suspects anymore. Your conservative grandma, who still has a flip phone and thinks the cloud is just a fluffy thing in the sky? She's there, sipping on her tea and buying Bitcoin. Your risk-taking cousin, who's always looking for the next big thing? He's there too, grinning from ear to ear as he watches his investments grow. This sudden influx of traditional investors into the crypto space has been a game changer. It's brought a fresh wave of capital, boosting market liquidity and stability. But it's also brought challenges, like increased regulatory scrutiny and volatility. Yet at the end of the day, the more the merrier, right? With Bitcoin ETFs, the crypto market has evolved from a niche playground to a bustling global bazaar, where everyone from tech geeks to grandmas can dabble in digital currencies. So, Bitcoin ETFs have turned the crypto market into a wild party where everyone's invited, from your risk-taking cousin to your conservative grandma. But here's the catch. Now, Bitcoin ETFs, they sound like the life of the party, don't they? But just like that friend who promises to bring the best chips to the party and shows up with kale crisps, they do have their downsides. They might bring crypto into the mainstream, but they're also going to bring in the big wigs and the regulations. And we all know how much fun those guys are, right? So, Bitcoin ETFs, they're like inviting your parents to a party. It might make the party seem more respectable, but it's definitely going to kill some of the fun. And remember, in the world of crypto, it's always party time. As we wrap up our Crypto Comedy Hour, let's remember one thing. The world of crypto is unpredictable, just like a good punchline. But don't worry, we have your back. If you want to stay updated with all the twists and turns, the ups and downs, and yes, even the parties and the party poopers of the crypto world, there's only one place you need to go. Head over to www.thecryptorumors.com. Consider it your VIP pass to the ever-exciting crypto party. You'll find all the latest news, rumors, and even some laughs. Because remember, in the world of crypto, it's always party time, and you're always invited.